What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today we are back with another watch video. So some of you guys might know, besides cars, I have been pretty into watches lately. My brother got me into the hobby, so I got him into cars, he got me into watches. So yeah, this year 2023, I've definitely picked up quite a few timepieces. So without further ado, let's show you guys the new timepiece that we just picked up. Alright, so here's the beautiful box, kind of like a nice wood grain look to it, and it is an Omega watch. So Swiss luxury brand for watches. The brand Omega has been around forever, and a lot of guys, even if you're not into watches, you might know brands like Rolex, Omega, Tech Heuer. You know, there's so many different watch brands out there, but Omega is definitely one of the more well-known brands. So this right here, really nice box, like I said, in that nice wood grain material. And if you look right here, this has that little seal, it says Omega. So to open up the box, you just press this, opens right up for us. Alright, so here is the watch. So before I show you guys the watch, let's show you guys what else is in the watch box. Okay, so first up we have this nice suede material, Omega. This is the warranty card. You know, they come with international warranties. So you have stuff like your serial number, name, all that stuff on here. And then we also do have a nice little booklet from Omega. It's very cool. And then we have the actual watch box itself. Okay, so you guys are here not to see the watch box, but the actual watch itself. So without further ado, here is the watch. This is the iconic Omega Speedmaster Professional. Alright, so let's go ahead and take the watch out of the box just to show you guys how it looks. So this is a 2022 model Omega Speedmaster Professional, and Omega does make quite a few variations of watches, but the Speedmaster is the most well-known one because it is also known as the first watch on the moon, or the moon watch, because when man first landed on the moon, the Omega Speedmaster was actually the watch to be worn on the moon. So that's pretty cool. Fun fact about it. And the Omega Speedmaster is also a chronograph watch. So by chronograph, you see those three little circles, you know, in the dial. They are used to track speed. That's hence its name, Speedmaster. So whether it's a race car, or you can use it pretty much like a stopwatch. So it has really cool functions. That's also why on the side right here you have two little extra buttons, just to start and stop, like a stopwatch. So really cool. The Omega Speedmaster also has a very iconic look to it. You know, in terms of styling and design, it really hasn't changed almost at all since it first came out. So very classic style. With the Speedmaster, there's quite a few variants. This one is the Speedmaster Professional. The bracelet link. I know in 2023 they revised the bracelet link. And then back here, apologize if you guys might see some scratch marks, but Omega Speedmaster Professional. So very nice. I've been wanting a Speedmaster for a while. It's on my one list. Watch guys nickname it as Speedy, short for Speedmaster. The closest thing that I have to Omega Speedmaster is my Omega and Swatch collaboration, the Swatch Moon Swatch. So also off this famous Speedmaster watch, but that one, you know, plastic version of this. So okay, and the clasp right here, you just press. That's how you deploy the clasp. And let's show you guys the watch. Like I said, it's a very nice timepiece. Nice and clean look to it, and you know, people will recognize the Speedmaster because of how classic it looks. It hasn't really changed in decades. And what's really cool is, oh, you do get the option to either have this in a hesitite or a sapphire glass. The sapphire glass is the more modern look, less scratch resistant, but I chose the hesitite version. Kind of hard to tell. The original Moon watch have the hesitite, which, you know, can be prone to scratches, but the original Moon watch came with it. So yeah, just paying tribute to it. What's really cool is on the back, some of them are skeleton case back, this one is not. But again, I wanted this because the Speedmaster is such an iconic watch. It actually says a little message on the back. Let's go ahead and focus and read it for you guys. Okay, so on the case back actually says, flight qualified by NASA, manned space mission, the first watch on the moon. So you actually have it on the back of it, so that's very cool. Yeah, just all around a really nice classic timepiece watch. Let's go ahead and throw it on my wrist and see how it looks. And here's a little wrist roll shot for you guys. Nice classic wrist roll. What do you guys think? I guess a fan of the Omega Moonwatch, the Speedmaster. I love it, such a classic look. I also have to add, great job on the watch box. I personally love this wood grain watch box. It's not actual wood, but you know, it's very nice style to it. Like I said, there are quite a few different Speedmaster variants. The most affordable, cheapest one you could probably get is the Speedmaster Reduced at a smaller 39 millimeter. This one I believe is a 42 millimeter. So I typically like to wear watches, you know, 41 millimeter. But the biggest watch I have is my 43 millimeter Tech Heuer Aqua Racer, and I could probably go down as low as 40. So like a Daytona will be a 40 millimeter, 41 is perfect, 42 also fits pretty nice on my wrist. So what do you guys think of the new pickup? I personally love it. Like I said, it's something that I've been setting my sights on, and you guys might have saw the most recent watch that we got. I'm trying to think, was it a Tudor? Actually, my wife gave me a Longines watch for my birthday. I also did pick up a Tudor Black Bay Burgundy myself. Those were around the same time frame, and I do love the Tudor watch. That's something that I've been wearing pretty often on the weekends. I really like wearing it because of the rubber band. But for a nice, you know, smart, dressy watch, even an all-day, all-rounder watch, the Speedmaster is just hard to go wrong. So yeah, I'm really excited. Yeah, it's just a hobby that got a little bit crazy this year because we picked up quite a few timepieces. But I think that's it for this year. I picked up and spent quite a bit of money on watches. The wife says no more watches. I was supposed to stop after I got the Tudor Black Bay, but then the Speedmaster came about. It was a pretty solid deal, so couldn't pass it up. So yeah, if you guys like it, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Maybe I should do a little like show you guys my watch collection that I've collected so far. So we do have quite a few watches in my watch collection, so maybe I'll do a whole separate video on that. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Thank you so much. If you want to check out more watch videos, I'm gonna have it in a separate watch playlist on this channel. Thank you, and catch you guys in the next video.